Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to Butterfly Beach and Monkey Island today. So in this vlog, I will take a boat ride from Palalim Beach to go to Monkey Island and Butterfly Beach. So stick around and watch this video till the end. So after finishing our breakfast, we left at around 10 a.m. to Monkey Island and Butterfly Beach on a boat ride. So now we are leaving for Butterfly Beach in this boat.
हाय, हम लोग अभी हनीमून बीच बटरफ्लाई बीच देखने को जा रहा है। बाद में मंकी आइलैंड दिखाएगा और बाद में डॉल्फिन रास्ते पे।
Okay, dolphin also out there. Alright, and what is the per head price you are taking?
500.
500 per head they are taking. So if you want to come here, you can always contact him. I will leave his contact details down below. So approximately in 15 to 20 minutes we reached Butterfly Beach. भैया इसको बटरफ्लाई बीच क्यों बोलते हैं?
माउंटेन का शेप है ना, वी टाइप जैसा, इसके लिए बोलते हैं।
है ना?
पंख जैसे दिखते हैं इसके लिए।
हाँ, right. It's not like that. You will find lots of butterflies here, but the shape of the place is like a butterfly. Water is also very deep.
देखो वेव्स कैसे जा रहे हैं। आपको उतरने में चढ़ने में दिक्कत हो जाएगी।
कोई बात नहीं।
हम उतारते हैं ऐसे, ज्यादा वेव्स और करंट है इसके लिए नहीं जा रहे हैं, नहीं तो नॉर्मली हम जाते थे इधर।
उधर तक हम जाते हैं।
बोर्ड लगा।
हाँ, I've been there actually on boat, but it is too much of current, high tide, and under current. So we are not going this time, guys. But this place is so beautiful.
इधर प्री वेडिंग का शूटिंग जैसे
प्री वेडिंग शूट्स अगर यहाँ पर करवाना है किसी को तो करवा सकते हैं। ये लोग ट्रैकिंग करके आए हैं। नेक्स्ट टाइम वी विल कम ट्रैकिंग हियर। So due to high tide and unfavorable conditions, we could not get down at Butterfly Beach. So right now we are going to Monkey Island. are going on Monkey Island, guys. There. See there? See this beautiful place. This is heaven, guys. This is heaven. That's my boat there. So this looks so beautiful, man.
I see, I like, I go again, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go again now.
See, this is a sit-down area. Some small area. Oh, there are huts also, man. I never knew. I think I'm going to some strange island. I am having that feeling. I don't know, but let's check it out. It looks so adventurous to me right now. So, let's see. I'm not wearing my slippers, man. That's the main thing. So beautiful it is. What do you think, guys? Do you like this? Please comment below in the comment box and let me know. This is the first time I'm visiting this place and I had no idea what it is all about. All I've gone to Butterfly Beach, but not at this place.
Rising up like a phoenix sun.
Wow.
Been tired of
That's the private
pushing
property
around.
that boat wala guy told us.
Speaking my heart like it really is. 'Cause I can't take another
Let me show this around to you.
I see, I like, I go again, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go
So I'm going back on my boat.
I got my lows, I got my highs, moving on close.
We also found this turtle shaped rock on the way. So from far it looks like this, but in reality it is something else. Just see.
I like, I go again, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go again.
So now we are going back to Palalim Beach and it was an amazing experience. You must try this whenever you are coming to Palalim Beach.
Rising up like a phoenix sun. Speaking my heart like it really is.
So I'm gonna have all this delicious food.
Go again, no one can hold me back. I see, I like, I go again, go again now.
So if you like my video, please do subscribe and hit the like button on this video. I'll keep bringing more videos for you like this in near future. See you soon. Bye bye. Till then, take care.